this video blog, Josh Welton talks to professional motorsport fabricator and owner of Furick Cup, Mike Furick.
We are live.
All right, we are live here at FABTECH 2022. It's the last day in Atlanta, Hotlanta, and we've got our sweet tungsten mics. I'm here with Mike Furick in his booth. Infamous Mike Furick of Cup and fabrication fame. And I'm going to talk to him a little bit, or he's going to talk to us a little bit about what it's like. I don't know. You've changed the Cup game over the last few years. It's really cool to see you progress from where you were, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, to what you're doing now. And you've created such a unique tool set for the welding community. And what's the feedback you've gotten as you, like this year, having your full booth, having people come by? What's the feedback been like?
Well, first of all, thanks for tuning in and checking us out. Josh has always been a supporter, and I've been a supporter of Josh, seeing him through the years and continuing to follow what he does and his community behind him.
I appreciate that.
Thank you for coming to see me and supporting me as well.
Appreciate that.
We love to see people and get feedback and even new ideas and what people want to see to come out. So I'm always listening and trying to come out with new stuff. And just trying to come out with useful things, maybe multi-use products. We have a lot of stuff coming out.
Problem solving.
Yeah, problem solving. If I struggle at something, I'm making something. So let's always try to create and bring new things.
Right on. So what's your latest new thing that the public can actually use right now?
So we had recently come out with the trailing system.
Okay. Yep.
The for titanium. And, gassing behind your welding cup after you get done welding the titanium, just to keep it clean.
Great for reactive metals.
You could also use it as a sprayer system. So you don't even have to use it as a follower. You could just spray the back of a tab that you're welding.
Oh, okay.
And to keep it, contaminant free. So then you can weld the other side. So. A multi-use product.
Nice modular setup.
Yeah, nice modular setup. You don't even have to use it for your torch. What else?
I did. So I was telling you the other day about this big project I had at General Dynamics recently, and it was just literally miles of TIG welding titanium, and I just used one of your. Let's see if you have it here. I used one of these babies right here, and didn't even have to use, it was thicker stuff, which makes a difference, but I could do 6, 7, 8 inch passes and still keep
clean.
It was like just a little bit above chrome, which was acceptable for what we were doing.
Straw maybe.
Yep. Yeah, I had the day job specifically order those for that project, and they worked out great. They got there super quick, which we're not used to when we order stuff through GD. So really appreciate that. Appreciate the product being on the market.
It's cool.
And you've gotten into doing gloves too, yeah?
So we have been selling a ton of gloves, and we're trying to, again, bring high quality, good feel, great dexterity, and bring some color and fashion to the welding community. You know what I mean? Because everything is so mute.
It's mute. It's like shop colors.
Color. So we're going to try and continue to bring even more colors and styles and just be unique.
We've got the colorful sleeves going on.
Sleeves. We got new torch covers.
I dig it.
We got full leather. We got we got nylon leather. So you got your light and you got your dexterity up top where you're going to be bending.
Oh, cool. I'll definitely need to get some of that.
We got new SSBWs. They're bigger than the BBWs. Still a great 40, 50 CFH, so you're not really adding too much more than the BBW to get that thing to run really good. Tungsten, we're using these because we're highlighting the fact that we're selling variety packs. So you're going to get all the different sizes in one pack. So no more buying 3 packs to get all the sizes.
Yeah, that's a great idea. That's something that I can't believe it took somebody. It's like one of those things where why didn't somebody come up with this sooner? You did, and it works.
Dude,
it's amazing.
I'm like, who wants to spend $110 on 3 packs of tungsten when you want all the sizes, especially when you're a kid or you're starting out?
Yep, totally.
You just,
or even if you're a hobby welder, you're doing this on the weekend. You're not going to use that tungsten in your lifetime.
No.
So having the ability to jump sizes and not have to go, buy a whole 10-pack or whatever. It's, yeah.
Again,
and the display, he made this display last week. Like, said there's some LED bugs to work out, but other than that, I mean, the display is freaking awesome.
We'll continue making some stuff. I got some ideas for PRI.
Cool.
We're going to do a couple different displays. I'm hoping that...
I got to get down to that. I haven't been there before.
Oh, yeah, it's awesome.
I gotta do
and
that.
it's right next to you. It's not
Yeah,
too far.
I know. It's not too far.
Yeah.
A few hours.
Come and hang out.
Will do.
Sure. Come hang out at the booth.
Right on.
So, well, everybody. Come on.
Everybody, come on down.
Come on down.
This is the last day of FABTECH, but PRI is coming. When is PRI?
December 8th, 9th, and 10th, I believe.
Okay, right on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's
it's a
coming
month
right
away.
up.
Yeah.
Cool deal. Well, Mr. Furick, thank you
you,
for your
guys.
time.
Absolutely.
And display's awesome. Keep kicking ass.
Come check us out again.
Continue following Mike Furick on Instagram at mfurick. And check out all of the innovative products he has available for the industry at furickcup.com. Thanks again to Mike for catching up with us. And as always, thank you for watching.
So while we were at FABTECH, I was hanging out with my homie Mike Furick, and I was telling him how much I love 2% thoriated tungsten, even though it's a little bit radioactive. I used to have 20 lifetime supplies worth of it. It was one of the things that got stolen out of my shop when my shop got robbed. He was like, dude, I got you. 332nd, 2% thoriated. So now I can carefully use radioactive tungsten again.
How about that? 30 mil makes a good tungsten holder for my awesome Furick 2% thoriated tungsten.